Hello everyone, this is Jessie here. So today I am quickly going to share my honest review about Mystiq Living Green Tea Clarity Anti-Acne Kit. So let's start the video with the step 1. So step 1 is a green tea clarity toner and face mist. So spray a few pump onto face and neck. Tea tree clarity toner deep cleanse your face and tighten your pores. Now step 2 is a green tea clarity face mask. So apply required quantity of face mask on face and neck evenly, and now wait for 15 to 20 minutes.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making.
Then rinse thoroughly with plain water. This face mask remove excess oil and fade your acne marks and dark spots. And now third and last step is a green tea clarity day and night gel. So massage required quantity of gel gently on the skin and cheek and your neck till absorb. And guys, this gel cream is really awesome. It's moisturize your sebum balance and it has non-greasy formula that is really great. And also want to tell you that Mystiq Living brand do not add any bleaching agents like harmful preservatives, synthetics, DIY and pigments, parabens, and they also don't use any silicone. Use step 1 and step 3 daily at least twice a day, and step 2 is a recommended 2 to 3 times in a week only. Really love this product. It is natural. So guys, must try this product if you concerned like oily acne prone kind of skin. If you have dark spot, then because I have been using it for quite some time now, it is really great. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like my video, then please comment below on my comment section. So love you all. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.
It's your time. Give me the messy, give me the pain. A rose will not grow without the rain. I wanna be someone who says there's more than meets the eye.